Well, I think it's recording. Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take it
There's
off.
little bubbles. There's you and there's me.
Oh, Jesus, Jesus.
Oh, Jesus. There's Jesus everywhere.
Ow. Okay,
Oh,
so
girl. I like the black and white one. The black and white one, that's where it's
someone talked to me,
at.
and it's, Bobby.
Can't tell you what her pets are. Oh, she just told you.
No, it's not, Bobby.
Yeah, we're still gonna do Saturday. We're sleeping at Ashley's. Yo,
Yeah.
they be partying and I'm gonna be in the motherfucking Caribbean. She's gonna be on a boat. I'm gonna be on a boat, bitch!
Floppies.
Doing flips and shit. I probably will be doing flips and shit. You know, this nigga that I've been buying stuff from, he taking forever.
I'll be RB. I gotta go.
Alright, this should be fun. Alright, we're gonna have a little talk. Alright, we're gonna talk about drugs, kids. Drugs are bad for you. They are bad. And this Christmas, oh, Christmas is falling. Oh God, oh Jesus. There's a party, it's Christmas time. Mommy, look. That was good. Wait. Oh, Christmas time.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Oh, God, it's hot in here. Wait. Yeah, you can't use me things for black, nigga. Did it stop?
No, it's still playing.
Are you sure?
Yeah, see?
Dude, wait. Watch. Why is it taking so long?
Take it off the thing.
I'm trying. Oh, jeez. Oh. I just got punched in the face, nigga. I'm a skeleton. You like my hair? Oh God, I'm gonna be salt, you be pepper. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly,
Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
Oh, you bitch, don't hit me with the baseball bat. Is this a cigarette?
Wait, no, it's a finger thing. No.
No. Cigarettes are bad for you. Oh no, it's raining.
I know, you're crying.
Oh wait, no. Wait. Oh Jesus. You gotta catch them. Oh, I'm so confused. They keep like falling. I can't catch them. Oh no. Oh! So tonight, me and Morgan, and I have a party going on. And I am going to be sleeping and waking up at 4 in the morning because we gotta go on a motherfucking cruise. And I'm be on a motherfucking boat, bitch. Boat, bitch. Yeah, what now, nigga?
I've got an arch cord.
Hey, wait.
Where's Jose?
I'm not even calm. Let's go on there while we're
Okay.
Alright, this is gonna be fun, alright?
Jose.
Alright. Okay, we're gonna put this on speakerphone so you can hear. He's one funny nigga. Well, that's my picture, bro. He's calling us baby and shit, and I was like, yo. Oh, that nigga hit that F you button. Let's call him again.
We're gonna call Fox.
We're gonna call this bitch till he answers. Oh my God, I like my hair like this. What?
Jesus!
What the hell? This bitch is being gay as hell.
I smell good.
Okay, bye! Bye! That was Jose.
He's leaving.
He's leaving. He is leaving. We should call someone. We should call Brian.
Brian Bartlett.
We're gonna call some Brian Bartlett kid. He's got some hair and face. I'll talk to Jamie. Hi, Brian. You're on a video.
Why?
We love you. We love you.
Alright.
Say something funny.
I can't do that. I just can't say funny stuff anymore.
I think the speaker's down here.
No, microphone.
Oh.
Jesus, juice.
So how was Warped Tour? Supposed to say it was good. Oh my God, you're ruining the video.
Who else is funny?
Let's go Chase.
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 Chase, Bo.
Ah! Fuck, why is my phone not working? What the fuck does EV mean? Ugh. Hello? Hello? What the hell? Hey! What the hell? What the hell was that shit? Let me be like one of those teen kids. Look at my hair. My black abyss. Oh my God.
Oh. This video's gonna be like 80 minutes
Hey!
long.
Oh, nothing. Me and Morgan are making a video and
And
you're
you're
on
on
it.
it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah? You gotta say something funny.
Well, if you didn't say that, I probably would be able to.
You know what? Tell him to say the pickup line.
Say a pickup line.
Like, if you were a
Yeah, what?
booger, I'd pick you first.
Morgan says if you were a booger, she'd pick you first. Hey bitch, you ain't stealing my man.
I don't want your man. Mom! My mom!
Mom! Oh God, Grandma!
Okay, well, we're gonna leave now because Jamie just sat on my hand. Bye.
Bye bitches.
Bye.
Bye bitches.
Sleepy time.